Hey plant lovers, welcome back to Tree Life As. If you've ever wanted to bring nature inside your home, but thought plants were too hard to care for, today's video is for you. We're talking about easy-growing indoor plants that not only transform your space, but also purify the air, boost your mood, and need very little maintenance. So please grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's explore some green magic that anyone, yes, even beginners, can grow. Before we jump into the list, let's talk about why these plants are such a great choice. First, low maintenance. These plants thrive, even if you occasionally forget to water them. Second, air purification. Studies from NASA have shown that many common houseplants absorb toxins and improve indoor air quality. Third, aesthetic appeal. They instantly make your home look fresher, more peaceful, and alive. And finally, stress reduction. Caring for plants releases dopamine and helps calm your mind. So, let's dive into the plants that can completely transform your home without taking much of your time. Snake plant. This is a true survivor. The snake plant can tolerate low light, irregular watering, and still look stunning. It releases oxygen even at night, perfect for bedrooms. Just water it once every 2-3 weeks, and it'll be happy. Pothos. One of the most popular houseplants worldwide. It grows fast, trails beautifully, and can even grow in water. It's excellent for low-light corners. Just give it a trim occasionally to keep it lush. Spider plant. The spider plant is like a natural air filter. It removes formaldehyde and carbon monoxide from your indoor air. Plus, it produces baby plants you can easily propagate, great for sharing with friends. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is nearly indestructible. It survives in very low light and doesn't need much water. It's perfect for busy people or offices where sunlight is limited. Peace lily. This plant adds elegance with its dark green leaves and white flowers. It prefers indirect light and likes slightly moist soil. It's also known to remove harmful toxins from the air. Aloe vera. Apart from being easy to grow, aloe vera has incredible healing properties. You can use its gel for skin burns or as a natural moisturizer. It loves bright, indirect sunlight and doesn't overwater. Lucky bamboo. Often seen in homes and offices for good luck and positive energy. Lucky bamboo grows easily in water or soil and adds a peaceful zen vibe to your space. Rubber plant. If you want a bold, tropical look, rubber plant is your best pick. It's low maintenance, grows fast, and can adapt to various light conditions. Keep the leaves clean with a damp cloth for that glossy look. Now that you know which plants to get, here are a few quick care tips to keep them thriving. Light. Most of these plants prefer bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh, direct rays. Water. Always check the top 1-2 inches of soil. If it's dry water. If not, wait. Potting mix. Use well-draining soil with perlite or cocoa peat. Air circulation. Plants need airflow. Don't keep them in completely closed corners. Clean leaves. Dust blocks light absorption. Wipe leaves every few weeks. Follow these small steps, and you'll have a mini jungle in no time. Want to make your home look like a plant lover's paradise? Here are some quick styling ideas. Place tall plants like rubber plant or ZZ plant near mirrors or windows to add depth. Use hanging planters for trailing vines like Pothos. Mix leaf shapes, broad, narrow, and spiky, for texture variety. Add small planters to bookshelves, kitchen counters, or bathrooms for a fresh touch. And there you have it, 8 easy-growing indoor plants that can completely transform your home into a peaceful green sanctuary. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more plant care tips and inspiration.